We are in Staircase Escalante National Monument, and we've got a really nice camp spot up here. We're on a knoll here, and it's been fun. You can see the people drive through the National Monument over here. So that road there is Scenic Route 12, and it is amazing. It just runs through some of the most scenic parts of Utah, through Zion, and then up here towards the National Monument, Escalante, and then to Bryce. And that road there was definitely a fun road to go on. And it just comes right past our camp spot and then goes to the town of Escalante. But there's actually a couple places to park your RV up here. Sorry, my voice is a little bit raspy. Just got up this morning. But you have choices here, and then there's a road that goes down, and we got our 30-foot trailer up here. There was a little bit of a sketchiness here, but what a great place to wake up. So this is a dinosaur track here. Kind of see the outline here.
All the way that way.
So we're in 20 Mile Canyon, and this is dinosaur tracks. It's a little hard to see. We had to climb up. We saw a sign telling us, you know, this is the area to find the dinosaur tracks. A little hard to see though. But this rock here is very expansive up here.
I'm ready. Okay, go down.
We timed it just perfect. The sun is setting. It is putting this amazing glow. This arch right here is just incredible right here. It's like these two rocks are attached to each other, making this cool little arch. But yeah, this is what we came here down here to see, is this little arch here. But all these formations are amazing. The hills look like they're on fire over here. This is probably gotta be one of the coolest things we've seen. This is called the Devil's Garden, right? Or Devil's Kitchen?
No, Devil's Garden.
Devil's Garden, yeah. This is called the Devil's Garden. What's he growing? Crazy rocks?
Yep.
So that's going to be it, guys. We're going to end this at Kodachrome State Park, and we're going to rock on out.